Are you searching for work from home jobs with no experience? Today's video is based on those jobs. So make sure to keep watching this video till the end, as the list contains some of the exciting work from home jobs. Hey viewers, once again welcome to the channel Jobs Connection. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe it. With the coronavirus lockdown becoming a part of our lives for an extended period, companies and offices are coming to terms with the work from home situation. Thus, there is a sharp rise of work from home jobs. Let's see what are these work from home jobs. Number 1, proofreading. Pay $25 to $50 per hour. If you can spot errors, grammatical mistakes in documents or have a keen eye for details, then proofreading is the best choice for you. According to US labor statistics, as many people are forming online businesses, the demand for proofreaders are rising. There are some of the entry-level companies like proofreadingservices.com, lionbridge.com, guru.com. They are hiring beginners. Second job is survey jobs. Pay $5 to $300 per month. Online surveys are great for earning extra money to keep the income flowing when you are just a beginner in the work from home industry. They are easy to do. Many of them pay well, and the best part is, if you choose the best paid survey sites, you can earn good money like any other side job. Some of the best websites for survey jobs are Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, MyPoints, Ysense, PriceRebel, etc. Another job is online tutoring. Pay $10 to $30 per hour. Online tutoring is one of the best ways to start working from home. There are different ways you can work online, like teaching specific subjects, ESL tutoring, answering the questions, etc. Many companies recruit beginners, such as Vedantu, myfavtutor.com, Preply, etc. The another work from home job is transcription. Pay $20 to $35 per hour. Transcription is an excellent option if you are a beginner looking for no experience jobs. There are many transcription companies out there that will hire you just with your typing skills. That's something you need to have at least if you want to get into transcription. You can always learn more skills to get better jobs in transcription. The companies that hire newbies in transcription are Accutran Global, Scribby, TranscribeMe, etc. The next work from home job is customer service. Pay $15 to $25 per hour. Of all the work at home roles, customer service roles are the most important because of their flexibility. You have to keep in mind that most customer service jobs require you to be on the phone. Many companies offer online customer service roles like Amazon, Apple, CTIL, Working Solutions, etc. Next work from home job is data entry. Pay $10 to $18 per hour. Data entry might be the first job you will look for if you are planning to work from home. Legitimate data entry jobs are hard to come by, but they are perfect to get started with. You can apply for data entry roles at companies like freelancer.com, fiverr.com, peopleperhour.com. Next work from home job is website testing. Pay $8 to $10 per hour. This is a great way to start your work at home journey. You do not need any particular expertise to get started as a web tester. You will need to have a basic idea about navigating around websites and testing their functionality. The equipment you will need for this role is a webcam and a microphone. You will have to speak out your thoughts about the test after the test is done. This could be a good beginner level job if you have no prior experience. Some of the best companies are Global App Testing, UserTesting.com, Amazon, Mechanical Turk. Next job is Chat Agent. Pay $9 to $17 per hour. Chat agents are another form of customer service, and getting into this work at home career is relatively straightforward compared to other roles. As a chat agent, you will be helping customers online through the chat feature. with any queries they have regarding the company you work for. You can apply for many chat agent companies like The Chat Shop, Genpact.com, Cetel Group, etc. The next job is search engine evaluation. Pay $12 to $15 per hour. As a search engine evaluator, you will be evaluating search results following the company's guidelines. This is the most flexible job out there. It might sound very technical, but it's not. After applying, you will need to pass an exam for most of the search engine evaluator companies. Three major companies offer these roles. You can apply for Lionbridge.com, WorkforceLogic.com, and Appen.com. Next job is online researcher. Pay $5 to $17 per hour. You can become an online researcher if you want to start with something substantial. This role does not require any expertise, but you will need a very keen eye to search for data online and a lot of patience. Different companies have different role descriptions, but the primary responsibilities are to search, collect data online, and answer user questions. The companies that recruit online researchers are Wonder.com, Experts123, and Just Answer. Another work from home job is of freelance writer. Pay $40 to $300 per article. If you love writing, then you can work from anywhere as a freelance writer. There are many ways you can do this, like by pitching to freelance writing websites, signing up for job boards like Container and bloggingpro.com, or becoming a staff writer for prominent publications. There are many places you can look for freelance writing gigs like Bribe.com, Fiverr.com, People Per Hour, etc. Next job is virtual assistant. Pay $18 to $50 per hour. If you want to jump into the work at home route, I would highly recommend starting with virtual assistant. There are two reasons for this. First, this is an excellent, sustainable online career that can give you a lot of flexibility to work. Second, you can provide a lot of services as a virtual assistant. And the list is endless. If you want, you can take some courses on virtual assisting. There are many companies which are hiring virtual assistant these days. So, what are you waiting for? Just apply for these posts. So that was the end of this video. I hope you will like all the information given. So just hit the like button and share my video.